Hey guys, Skipper Vacuum Collector and Fixer here, and here's my two rectangular Electroluxes, my 1205 on the left and my Silverado on the right. You can see I have them sitting in the same formation with their straight suction wands, their flip tools, crevice tools, and then the butterfly tools on the machines. You can just see how similar they look. They're same style, although let me take the 1205. Okay. If you can see that just as I mentioned, they're in line. You can see that the Silverado is a bit longer, and that's because Super J introduced the bigger motor. But yeah, they're both really nice. This video is for the 1205. I'm going to try it with the power nozzle right here, and the electric hose. So move the Silverado stuff out of the way. I'll just put this stuff right here. I noticed that I can tell them apart. The Silverado's is gray, whereas the 1205's is kind of a cream color, and of course those you can tell the difference. Okay, so I'm gonna get this thing plugged in and we'll get it running. All right, I got the hose all connected up now, so without further ado, here we go. So that's the Electrolux 1205 vacuuming the carpet. Thanks for watching, and I'll have more soon.